Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see articles from article 243 to article 243O, and these articles deal with the Panchayat Raj institution. Also we will see here a trick, and we will remember all these articles from article 243 to article 243O. So let us start. First we will see all these articles to which they belong. 243 belongs to definition is 243A Gram Sabha, 243B is here constitution of the panchayat, C composition of the panchayat, D reservation of the seats, E duration of the panchayat, and so on. F disqualifications for the membership, G 243G power, authority and the responsibilities of the panchayat, H power to impose taxes by and funds of the panchayat, I constitution of the finance commission to review the financial position, 243J audit of the accountants of the panchayat, K election of the panchayats, L application to the union territories, M you can see here part not to apply the certain areas, N continuous of the existing laws in the panchayat, and O deals with the bars to interference by the courts in the electoral matters. Now see here, first we have to remember, we know that article that everything has first it is definition. So article 243 deals with the definitions. Now see here, article 243A deals with the Gram Sabha. Now how will we remember this article 243A to which it deals? Now see here, this is the Gram Sabha, and in the Gram Sabha the people have got assemble. So whenever we have to answer the answer what article 243A belongs, we will remember, we will get a clue that in article 243A there was an assembly of people, and in the assembly in the Gram Sabha there is the assembly of peoples. So article 243 we will remember this in this way. So article 243A deals with the Gram Sabha assembly. Now C article 243B, it deals with the constitution of the village panchayat. B we will remember this article by remembering B by the basic features. Everything has its basic features. For example, when we open the book, it has in the first page index is written chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. These are the basic features. Similarly, the about the panchayat, the basic features are in the constitution. So article 243B deals with the constitution of the village panchayat. Remember B as a basic features. Now C 243C. C we will remember this article 243C that deals with the composition of the panchayat. We will remember this by remembering that C stands for the composition of the panchayat. So remember this article in this way. Now see article 243D. We will remember this article by remembering D. D stands for the depressed. We knew in our society there is some depressed class of the society, and for them the reservation is provided. So we will remember this article 243D by remembering D depressed reservation of the seats. Now see article 243E. It deals with the duration of the panchayat. Now we knew that duration after duration ends, we say that it expires. Now we will remember this article 243E by remembering E stands for the expire. So article 243E deals with the duration of the panchayat. Now see article 243F. Article 243F deals with the disqualification for the membership, and we will remember article 243F by remembering F stands for failed, and when what fail in the other terms means disqualify. Here we will remember this. Fail in the other terms means disqualify. So we will remember this article 243F by remembering F as the failed. So article 243F will be remembered as a disqualification for the membership. Now see article 243G, and we will remember this article 243G, which deals with the power responsibilities of the panchayat by remembering that G stands for the greatness of the panchayat. When somebody is great, he has power, he has responsibility. So article 243 deals with the greatness of the panchayat. Hope you have got this. Now see now Article 243H. Article 243H can be remembered. It deals with the first we will see to which it deals. It deals with the power to impose the taxes. We will remember this Article 243H by remembering H as the high taxes. High taxes. So remember this Article 243H by remembering H as high taxes, and Article 243H status for or deals with power to impose taxes. Article 243I. We will remember this Article 243I by remembering that I stands for the income. See here, Article 243I deals with the constitution of the Finance Commission. See here, finance, income deals with the finance. So we will remember this Article 243I by remembering I as the income, and we will get a clue. 243I deals with the constitution of the Finance Commission. Now see now 243J. 243J deals with the audit of the accounts of the panchayat. We will remember this article by remembering that J deals with the Janch Padtal, and in the language Urdu or Hindi, Janch Padtal means audit. So we will remember this article 243J by remembering J as Janch Padtal, which deals with the audit of the accounts of the panchayat. Hope you have got this. Now see article 243K. We will remember this Article 243K that deals with the election of the panchayat as K as candidate. When there is candidate, there are elections. When there are elections, there is a candidate. So we will remember this K as the candidate. So we will get a clue here that Article 243K deals with the election of the panchayats. Now see here Article 243L. We will remember this article that deals with the application to the UT Union Territories by remembering L as the Lagu. So remember, see here Article 243L. We will remember this L as Lagu. So application to the UT, and in the Hindi language or Urdu language, we can say that the Lagu as apply. So we remember this Article 243L by Lagu application to the UT Union Territories. Now see here Article 243M. Article 243M is dealing with the part to not to apply the certain area. There are some certain areas to which the part does not apply. So we will remember this Article 243M by remembering M stands for the missing area. So you will get a clue here to which to Article 243 deals with what. Now see here Article 243N. It deals with the continuance of the existing lahas and panchayat. Those lahas and those panchayats which were already exist will continue. So we will remember this article by remembering N as the Nirantar, and in the language it stands for without end, continue without end. So 243 N deals with the continuance of the existing lahas by remembering N as a Nirantar without end. So we'll get a clue here that article 243 N deals with the continuance of the existing lahas. Now see last 243 O. We will remember it deals with the bar to interference of by the courts in the electoral matters. Now we will remember this who gives orders, court gives the orders. We will remember this article 243 O by remembering O as order. O as order, and who gives order, court. So we will remember this article by remembering O as order, and it deals with the bar to interference by courts in the electoral matters. So I have hope you have got all the I have tried my best to explain to make it memorizable. So still if you feel any kind of additional point, please comment. And also I request you subscribe the channel. That is the best way to say thanks to me. Thanks, stay blessed.